Hi, welcome to Dream Cars. That Tata Sumo 2026 is a bold reimagination of an iconic SUV blending classic ruggedness with modern sophistication. This car is designed to cater to enthusiasts who value style, practicality and performance. Starting with the exterior, the Tata Sumo 2026 flaunts a powerful and dynamic design with sharp LED headlights giving it a striking presence on the road. The white finish enhances its modern appeal, while the black accents on the roof rails will arches and bumpers add a touch of ruggedness. Its alloy wheels are designed for both style and durability, ensuring that it stands out whether part pouring. Motion. Moving to the interior, 2026 offers a spacious and luxurious cabin that is perfect for long drives and everything commutes. The seats are opposed to premium materials, providing both comfort and durability. Dashboard features a state-of-the-art infotainment system with a large touch screen that supports smartphone connectivity, navigation and advanced driver assistance. Features. The multifunctional steering wheel and digital instrument cluster ensure that every control is within reach, enhancing the driving experience. Ankle legroom and clever storage options make it a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. At the backside, the Tata Sumo 2026 doesn't compromise on style or functionality. The LED tail lights are seamlessly integrated into the design, providing a futuristic look. The spare wheel is mounted on the rear door, a nod to its classic SUV heritage, while the rear bumper is equipped with reflectors and parking sensors for added safety. The tailgate opens wide to reveal a large cargo space, perfect for carrying luggage or gear for any adventure. Thank you for exploring the 2026 Tata Sumo is back with an all-new model designed to offer comfort, space and versatility in a modern package. With a 9-seater configuration, the new Sumo is perfect for large families or groups, offering ample space for passengers and luggage. Featuring a fresh, robust exterior design and upgraded interiors, the Tata Sumo continues to deliver on its legacy of reliability and durability. Equipped with modern features, safety enhancements and an efficient engine, the 2026 model is ready for both city drives and long journeys. Stay tuned to Dream Cars for more updates on this iconic SUV Tata Sumo 2026 with us. For more exciting car reviews and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel Dream Cars. Your support helps us bring you the latest and most detailed content from the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching.